Guys, it's Aunt B. I'm getting over a little cold here, but while I'm sitting at the house really nice and cozy, I figured I would have the opportunity and take the opportunity to take a video of me making my chicken noodle soup. This is of course a comfort food, but also it makes the Chef Girl EBT series because you wouldn't believe how easy it is to make this soup, and also how inexpensive, something to comfort you, your family, and anybody you love or care for during the cold and flu season. I'm in Chicago, so it gets very cold here, and my sinuses do not like it, nor does most people. So stay tuned and you'll learn a great recipe that's delicious for you and your fam. Also, it's so simple, a crock pot can cook it. We've got ourselves some wide egg noodles, some chicken broth, a can of cream of mushroom. Let me see how much this is. 10.5 ounces. I've got like 3 sprigs of celery, 3 carrots, and 3 sprigs of green onion, also known as scallion. And I've got a big, plump yellow onion. Now we can start our prep. Can't forget to add the chicken part of the chicken noodle soup. I have a whole breast of chicken that I already thawed out and chopped up, and this is going to be the first thing to go into the pot. So as you can see, I cleaned my carrots and I stripped out the outside part because that's just my personal preference. I don't like the little ridges. That's why you might see some funny shaped carrots. But then I just diced them. I diced my scallions, I diced my onion, and I diced my celery. So after adding the chicken broth, I turned my crock pot on high. I've also got my chicken breast ready. Don't be as messy as me, guys. I got stuff splattering. I'm gonna cook these chunks, and I'm also gonna add my vegetables. Now we're ready. Couple dashes of white salt, table salt, just a few sprinkles of pepper, and my fave, some rosemary. I love incorporating a little herb into my soup. Not only does it taste delicious, but it makes your house smell so good. And nothing says home cooked like a home that smells like good cooking. That's a good looking colorful soup, if you ask me. Got my little herbs sitting up at the top, little pepper, little salt, all my vegetables, and the chicken is clunked at the bottom. Now, the reason why we're cooking the chicken first is we want it to be cooked before we add the noodles. The noodles is gonna be the quickest thing to really cook. So we want the chicken to be all the way cooked and seasoned before we add the noodles. So it's been a good hour and a half on high heat in the crock pot. And you see that big white piece? That's not an onion, that's chicken. Our chicken is ready. So we are now ready to put our egg noodles in. And honestly, adding 2 more cups of water. And that is gonna be good, because I don't like a really brothy chicken noodle soup. I like it to be more solid, so it's kind of filling my chicken noodle soup. Very, very comforting. So I added some more salt and 2 cups more of the water. Now we cover it, let that cook for maybe another, it shouldn't take too long on the noodles, but it is a slow cooker, so I'll give it a nice hour. So I added a little bit more seasoning just for my taste, but it's about 30 to 40 minutes later and the noodles are pretty cooked. See how pretty that cream of mushroom has it looking real creamy. It's not your average chicken noodle. It's not that watery down one. If you don't like cream of mushroom, just don't put it in there. But this is Auntie's chicken noodle soup, and it's so like hearty and delicious. In fact, sometimes I put cream of chicken in there too for a little saltier flavor. This is more savory for me with the cream of mushroom, and just look how beautiful it is. I love to put a little rosemary and thyme in it because those herbs really give it a different kind of taste. Sets it off. Got a nice little bowl of chicken noodle soup.